In this video, we'll talk about online tools for laser focus. The hardest thing for most people is to live in the present moment. It's become difficult to stay focused on one task with so many distractions around us, but this type of lifestyle also affects our efficiency at the workplace as our mind wanders and we struggle to finish our tasks on time. However, while the internet has provided us with multiple distractions in the form of social media, it's also generated tools which can be helpful in organizing time and finishing tasks on time. Here's a list of some applications that will help you regain your laser focus and control your time instead of letting internet distractions control it. Stay focused. Stay Focused is an extension that works on Chrome. There are many ad blockers or website blockers that can be added to Chrome. However, this one is designed to help you get work done instead of spending hours on Twitter or Facebook. You can also set break times, which mean you can set times where you'll be allowed to enter websites, but as soon as your break time is over, you will not be allowed to enter them again. The nuclear option is for those who absolutely cannot resist their distractions. This will not let you enter any of the websites that keep you from working, and it cannot be deactivated until after the provided time period. Freedom. This is an application for web, PC, iOS, and Mac that can be installed to block out websites that distract you so you can pay attention to what needs to be done. Making to-do lists is fun, but getting everything done on your to-do list is a challenge when you have a habit of spending hours scrolling through your favorite social media. Freedom lets you manage schedules so you can block certain websites for a certain period of time. For instance, if you spend hours scrolling through Facebook, you can add it on the Freedom app to block it from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. while you finish your work. Freedom will not let you enter the land of distraction within the scheduled time. It also has a locked mode, which can be turned on to prevent from breaking the schedule and giving into your cravings for social media. When you have a habit of procrastination, it's impossible to avoid going back to that lifestyle, but with locked mode, you can easily avoid it. Focus Writer. This application is for those whose work requires a lot of writing. However, many writers struggle with focusing on their writing while working on their laptops. If you also struggle with staying focused on your work, then this is a great website which pops up a plain gray background to write on, and everything else is blocked away, including timer and date until your scheduled time is over. Focus Writer also includes features like word count and spell check, which are so crucial to writing jobs and assignments. It also has certain other features like setting a writing goal, which will bring gratification once you've achieved your goal. Besides that, the typewriting sounds with each key make it really interesting to work with Focus Writer. Concentrate. This application is designed to manage different types of tasks. Some people can start their day really motivated and get everything done, but after one task, they tend to get distracted before they could start the next task. Concentrate will block out the email client and browser to keep you away from BuzzFeed, YouTube, Twitter, etc. while you're writing. The Launch Application feature allows you to access only the applications that are needed for tasks that you are finishing. The Speak a Message feature allows you to record a message that will play on a set time and motivate you to concentrate on your work. This Mac application is designed to help you stick to your schedule for the day until you have finished everything. Be Focused. The Be Focused application uses the Pomodoro technique because it has been proven that people tend to focus on their tasks better if they take breaks in between. Many people struggle to take a break from the fear of losing attention, but they end up losing focus with time. Be Focused will give you short breaks after 25 minutes of working and longer intervals before you switch from one task to another. You can create a list of tasks and track your progress as you move along. This iOS application is perfect if you don't want to lose enthusiasm as you progress. You will get time to rejuvenate your headspace and be ready to take up the next task efficiently. Forest. If you feel like your phone is chained to your hands and keep you from working, then the Forest app will help you leave it be while you finish your work. This is an interesting application that allows you to grow a forest. Whenever you activate it, you plant a tree, and the tree will die if you interrupt or deactivate. The Forest application has partnered with Trees for the Future, and every tree you make is actually being planted in the world. This will mean that each tree you plant will earn you virtual coins, which will be spent on plantations of trees. Hold. Hold is an application that is specifically designed for students and keeps an eye on their activity. If you struggle with studying or finishing your papers because you cannot resist your Instagram feed and Facebook comments, then this application is for you. For every 20 minutes that you spend away from your phone, you earn a point. When you have earned 15 points, you get a reward in shape of a raffle ticket or coffee from 7-Eleven. Many students who have used this application testified that their grades improved by using the Hold app. Noisely. Some people tend to focus better on their application when they are surrounded by an ideal ambience. Noisely provides ambient noises like seaside, bonfire crackles, a fan, etc. So you can customize a combination of your favorite sounds so you can have the perfect atmosphere to work in. Noisely is therefore an application for those who want to work in a particular environment which will help them stay focused on the task. Noisely also has another feature inspired by Pomodoro techniques which helps you divide your tasks, and a chromotherapy-inspired feature lets you choose a certain background color while you work. Balanced. Balanced is an application that helps you build your focus by creating a balance in your life. It's important that you maintain a healthy lifestyle that consists of reading, meditation, workout, walking, etc. Balance tracks your time spent on doing things you wish you did more. Some people struggle with reading books, while others cannot stay focused on yoga. Balanced will keep you motivated and include these tasks in your daily life and stay focused on them. Hocus Focus. Hocus Focus is another application made to improve your productivity by making your browser tab clutter-free. It's no secret that we tend to focus better when we have a cleaner environment. The same is true about working on your PC. Hocus Focus will close any website that you are not actively using. For instance, if you have a distraction application like Twitter, BuzzFeed, Facebook, etc. open in the background, then they will shut it off while you're working. A research shows that it takes 23 minutes for an average human brain to refocus, and a distracting application can make it even harder.